Okay, let's start with building this lovely looking model. The first 12 pages are just technical drawings and warnings and the tools that you need and the parts lists. So we won't need those while we're building it. I might have to refer to them during the build to see if I get stuck on anything. But we'll put those to the side now. And this is what we're going to really need: the technical manual with the assembly instructions. I'll search for the parts per stage out of the box. I won't film that because you don't need to see me rummaging through the box again to see where everything is. What I will do is I'll scan the manual, and for every stage then I'll put a photo or a picture of the stages that I'm doing and the parts that are involved, so that you can see what I have to take out of the box to get that part done. The first, second and third stage are all stages to assemble the drive axle. So the wheels, hubs and axle itself. So I'll get those out of the box, and once I've got those lined up here, then we'll see what we need. Okay, well, I sorted all the bits out of the box what I need for the first couple of stages. That took a while, so hopefully the further I get along in the build, the quicker it'll be to find the pieces. In the unboxing video, I said that I was wondering if the axle, if you listen, I don't know if you can get that, hear that. It doesn't sound too great. So I am going to quickly take off the diff cover here and see if I can easily get to it to put some grease in there, to see if there's any grease in there at all. So I've got a fair few screws to take out of here. I'll fast forward this, and you've seen that I've changed the camera angle. I'm trying to figure out what's the best position and light. I bought a new lamp today so that it's not as yellow as the unboxing video was. It looks better now. It looks better to me anyway. Let me know if you guys see a difference. So I'll get this open, and then I'll be back to show you what's inside it. Well, I can get the two halves of the pumpkin. I can get removed. There is, I don't know if you'll be able to see this. There's almost no grease in there, and there's a lot of skipping couple of the planetary wheels. So I'm just going to have a look to see if I can see what's going on there. Loads in, but I do want to get a little bit more in than there is at this moment. Of course, I've got grease all over my fingers now. Okay, that's back together. It does sound better. Okay, now let's get the wheels put on. Everything's put in nice little bags with the part numbers are put onto them, so you can easily identify how many there are. Let's get the drawing back. Gone a little bit ahead of myself by doing the axle or checking the axle first. Those are metal wheel adapters, nicely sprayed, nice colour. And then I need 20 2x12 hex socket heads, and I have to put these. Alright, those are screwing as well. I thought I would just be able to push those in, but they've all got to be screwed in. So I'll get my $1.5mm hex driver, and I'll get those all put in. I won't bore you with all those. This will be a fast forward. Thank you, Lidl, for this great little screwdriver, electric screwdriver. If I'd had to put all those in by hand, that would have been a very long and tedious job. So I just changed a bit in it, so I could get that done a lot quicker, and putting it through the time lapse on the video editing will make it even quicker. Okay, so we've got those done. That's stage one. That's stage one of the build. Stage two, I put in the tyre on the rim, but like I said, already done. Let's see if I can weigh those wheels to see what they weigh. Got some scales here in grams. Don't know if you can see that. but they're 213.8 grams each, so just almost half a kilo just for the rear wheels. Okay, so stage 3, and I've missed a part which I should have got out. Part A4. See if I can get that quickly. That was my own silly fault, because part A4 was also connected to the wheel adapters, to those two in the packaging, and I cut them off thinking, oh, you know, I don't need those. Read the manual. Okay, so I've got those then. Then we get our axle, making sure I've got it the right way round, and on the drawing there are 2 holes where a couple of grub screws are put in, and so I've got, that's a marker for me to know which way round to put them. And I need 2 pins, 2 by. Well, I was just uploading the footage from the GoPro to my computer, and a whole section there was no audio. No idea why. So just a quick to let you see that the axles have been built and are done. Yeah, so they're all ready. Then we'll carry on with the rear axles. But not sure what happened, but then you can just see quickly that it's finished. Okay.